is Nia and welcome to my channel. This will be probably my first ever sit-down video na gagawin ko. Kasi I've been dying or been wanting to do yung mga OG videos sa YouTube like what's in my bag. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna do a what's in my uni bag. Pero bago yan, mag-haul muna tayo ng mga pinamili ko sa Watsons. Kasi pumunta ko doon very quick sa Watsons dahil kailangan ko bumili ng mga essentials na hindi ko nabili last time. Ayan, magsasart na tayo ng Watsons. Ayan, isang plastic lang yan mga ante. Very konti lang talaga yung laman yan. Kasi, konti lang naman yung kailangan ko. I don't really wanna splurge a lot. Yung mga, ano lang, yung mga essentials, hindi ko talaga nakamit. Yung mga essentials na talaga nakakailanganin ko throughout the school. First is conditioner. Ito na pamili ko. This is from Lux Organic. This is my favorite conditioner. Yung sachet lang yung binibili ko mga ante kasi wala lang. Sachet lang yung binili ko kasi hindi ko afford yung nasa bottle. Yung nasa bottle, yung parang squeezy tube. Yung parang squeezy tube katulad ng cream silk. So, ito lang binibili ko yung sachet. Kasi currently na medyo short na yung buhok ko, I'm using half of this na lang. Next is, this is very important for the ladies. I bought myself, wow! Oh my gosh. I bought myself some feminine products. Let's not go deep into that. And then, bumili din ako ng micellar water, which is this one. Ito yung ginagamit ko na micellar water. I don't know if nagpo-focus ba yan? Ewan ko. But ito yung micellar water na ginagamit ko because it's really good for sensitive skin. Next is, I got myself a pack of tissues. It's a pack of 10. And ito yung binibili ko parati sa Watsons. Or yung brown, yung parang panda or bamboo na tissue. The reason why I bring tissue a lot, kasi ma-allergyhin akong tao. Allergyhon ko mga ante, pero may lang ko gapangakchi, so kailangan ko ni. I needed this one. I don't like bringing handkerchief because yung dirt na iipon siya sa handkerchief and i-wipe mo siya ulit sa face mo or anywhere. Pabalik-balik yung bacteria. Oh, bacteria! Lastly, I bought, what's this? Oh, lastly, I bought, alcohol. Hoy! Ba't parang may dirt yung kuko ko? Wala. Ano lang siya, parang wound. Finally, this is my bag. It's a tote bag. I got a new bag. This is from Bag Smart, by the way. It's their tote bag. What I love about this tote bag, it has wider straps, as you can see. So your shoulders, trust me. Well, I don't know why I'm nagsastammer ako, but for the ladies who would like to do like tote bags, please piliin yung tote bag na malaki yung or wide yung strap because trust me, your shoulders will thank you later, especially if nagko-commute ka and marami kang dala. First is, unahin natin yung mga anik-anik na nasa bag ko. First, I have this little, hirap naman ito, this little ribbon-ish, parang red na ribbon. And then I also got this really cute cherry from Bag Smart as well. Uunahin na natin yung nasa parang pocket dito. First is I have an umbrella. Essential talaga yung umbrella ante, especially ngayong tag-init. Tag-ulan pala. Essential talaga to. Next, sa likuran, dito sa parang likuran na pocket, I just have pepper spray, Vicks inhaler, tsaka yung commute wallet ko. Or commute wallet or yung parang coin purse. You know, I got this coin purse way back pa, nung grade 7 pa ata ako. Sobrang tagal na nitong nitong coin purse sa akin. Sobrang tagal na nito sa akin, mga auntie. Um, Dati kasi meron siya parang, yung parang, ay wait, parang clip na parang i-clip mo siya dito, or snap ang tawag doon. Yung, sobrang init. Papasensyahan nyo na if maririnig yung fan, kasi sobrang init talaga. Ito yung fan. That's fan. Sobrang init talaga dito sa kwarto, but, ito yung nilalabas ko. Nilalagay ko siya sa outer, dito sa likuran ng pocket, para easy access siya pag nag-travel ako, or nagko-commute, and ito yung, coins lang yung laman yan, mga ante. Ibabayad ko sa bus, tsaka sa tricycle. Next naman na pocket on the left side, right side ata. Oh, right side. Next naman is I have here my favorite brand of body mist and very affordable. Tsaka sobrang bango is this one from Body Fantasies. This is one of my favorite scents, by the way. It's the Wedding Babe. Parang amoy siya, amoy girly, ganun. And next naman na very, very, very essential talaga is a handheld fan. Sobrang dirty niya na kasi basta higko na siya, kaya ginagamit ko siya per me. But, ayan, may scratch na nga siya, ayan. Ewan ko kung makikita niyo yung scratch, but there it is. Next na, ano kung meron dito sa gilid? Okay, I also got, again, this is my favorite one, the bamboo, 100% bamboo tissue. So, Watsons ko din to nabibili. The reason why I like this one, or I love this one, more than this one, kasi ito, medyo, for me, medyo manipis siya. For me, I think, mas mabilis siyang ma-tear. This one, however, it does tear kasi tissue naman talaga siya. But this one, however, is much more, for me, thicker. Yun lang. Next is sa main compartment. Bago tayo pupunta sa main compartment, uunahin na lang natin ito. Meron siyang laptop. Uunahin na lang natin yung eto. Meron siyang laptop, pero meron siyang laptop compartment, dalawang pocket na parang insert pocket, the main pocket, tsaka zipper compartment na pocket. Yung maliit na zipper or yung parang hiding zipper ka na meron. Uunahin na natin ito. I have this one. It is a Velcro file bag. Meron siyang Velcro dito. Meron siyang Velcro dyan. I just have 10 pieces of yellow, one whole yellow pad, 4 pieces each ng lengthwise, crosswise, tsaka 1/4. Hindi ko dinadala yung, ito tip to ha, sa mga people out there. Pag dadala kayo wag yung, pag magdadala, my gosh, pag magdadala kayo ng paper, do not bring your whole pad paper. Because trust me, mauubos yan. Bago pala yung semester, ubos na, hindi pa tapos. So, bring enough lang. Tsaka heavy din kasi, pag medyo heavy din kasi, it adds on weight to your bag if you're gonna bring the whole pad paper. I usually bring like 10 pieces, 20 with me most of the time. And that's enough for me for the day. Then, pag ginamit ko naman siya, if I have used up all of the paper here, or I have used up some, dadagdagan ko lang yung paper pagka-uwi ko. Next sa laptop compartment, I have this one. This is a binder notebook from the brand Compera, ganun. Change ko lang. Bumili lang ako ng ibang like binder dividers kasi hindi ko bet yung nasa or included na sa binder notebook, and then nilagyan ko lang ng filler paper. Everyone knows who does write on their notebook na mas superior talaga yung grid line na paper for your notebook na sulatan mo. It makes you, kahit gaano pa ka-ugly yung handwriting mo, it makes it look neat. For me lang, ganun siya. It makes it look neater. Oh my god, but I'm looking at the window and parang uulan siya. My gosh. Kukunin ko lang mamaya. Bibilisan ko na to kasi kukunin ko pa yung labahin ko. Next naman, I have this one is essential for me and hindi to pwede na wala sa bag ko every time pupunta ako sa school. Pwede ko lang mawala yung notebook ko, not my tablet talaga kasi it most likely contains all of my notes. Kasi most of the notes or most of the time sa this time, puro PDF na or Word or naka soft copy na yung mga notes. And I usually like to take digital notes compared to physical notes. So essential talaga to. Next naman, I have on the little pockets, I have um, my glasses case, yung foldable case. Kasi there are times na gusto ko matulog sa library and nilalagay ko lang kung saan saan. Ayoko naman magasgasan ng magasgasan yung lenses ko ng mas madali. So I usually keep it on with my glasses case or inside sa case. Next that I have is a comb, tsaka a pocket mirror or a hand mirror. Kasi, I mean, again, essential for hygiene or grooming, yung mirror. Next thing that I have on the other pocket is a charger. This one, charger for my phone, my tablet, my earphones, except sa fan, but this one is really good. It's a good thing na most of my devices naka Type-C na. Next, on the other pocket, I just have my little Kikai. I call it my Kikai pocket. I have Hans Magic Powder. Sa mga hindi alam, my gosh, try this one. Ang ganda niya. I like this compared to the Dr. Sensitive Powder. Kasi sa Dr. Sensitive Powder, nag-oil up ako ng sobrang bilis. Like 30 minutes, oily ko na tayo. Next I have is some lippies that I usually bring. I have Naomi. I usually bring Naomi, or I usually do not bring Naomi. Oh, mali. I usually bring Maddie most of the time with me because I like Maddie. It's my favorite like MLBB color for my skin tone. Next, I have in here is Naomi. Naomi is my favorite blush color, but it does not really work well with, or if I use it as a lipstick. So I normally would use this as my blush because it looks pretty. I'm also wearing it right now. Ewan ko lang kung makikita sa camera, but I am wearing it right now. Next, I have this one. This is from Dr. Sensitive Guava Lippy Oil. I actually like this one, but I don't love it. I like it as like some sort of a topper or something. I do not like the part that they say it is a lippy oil. It's more of a tinted, it's more of like a glass tint, ganon, tinted cream. It's not really a lippy oil because it's not nourishing. It's not oil enough, but yeah, it's more of a like a tinted or tinted cream, glass tint, ganon. It's more like that, but I like it. Next, I have here my gosh, this is a pro tip. If mahilig ka magkilay, this is essential for you. It is the Pretty Secret. Sobrang ano niya lang mga ante. Very, very affordable niya lang. Student friendly, but the performance is amazing. I use this one. This is the Pretty Secret eyebrow pencil. Last but not the least is my favorite lip balm, which is the Carmex. Yung original yung ginagamit ko. Hindi ko afford yung Lucas Papaw, pero gusto ko siyang i-try. Pero the problem is I cannot afford it. Sobrang mahal niya. Next I have is sa main pocket. Usually nandito yung lunch ko sa parang main pocket niya dito. Yan. Usually nandyan yung lunch ko, pero ngayon wala. I only have an Oreo strawberry cream, some sort of cookie or biscuit sa loob ng bag ko because I need snacks. Your girl's hungry all the time. And to save, babaan ako ng snacks ngayon. Next I have is my pencil case, pencil pouch. Ang boring ng loob nito, pero ipapakita ko din sa inyo. First, I have calculator. Ayan. Calculator. Kailangan nyo yan. I have a retractable eraser, a scissors. I also have this Dong-A. Favorite ko to, yung correction tape ng Dong-A, yung 360. Favorite ko to, yung 360 nila. Dahil, um, the reason why it's my favorite, because you can change this, by the way. Maka-refill ka lang. You just pull that, and then you take a refill, saksak nyo lang, and then you just twirl it. That's how convenient it is. Para siyang G-Tech na refillable yung ink. Next, I just have a highlighter, a red pen for checking, or marking or annotating, a blue pen. Minsan kasi may mga professors or na mga instructors that prefers you to use blue pen than black pen when taking an exam. So, blue pen. From Mr. DIY lang to ha. And then a black pen, a mechanical pencil, Faber-Castell, tsaka last but not the least, I just have G-Tech 0.4, not 0.5, not 0.3, 0.4 is amazing. I like 0.4 because nasa middle siya. 0.5 is too thick for me. 0.3 naman, masyado siyang manipis. 0.4 is just like the right amount of nipis tsaka thickness ng ano niya, ng agi. Basta yung line na makikreate niya, and then I just have some extra lead for my pencil. Lastly, last pocket, inside, I just have mask. Ito parang zipper. Hindi ko na iaangat yung bag ko, pinatapan ako, but I have some masks kasi minsan there are areas or may pupuntahan bigla na sobrang maalikabok talaga. So, I bring this one with me. I bring two. Just in case I spoil this one, I can change it. Next, I have in here is my wallet. I have this little coin purse wallet from Pen Shop. I love it because it's compact and very small. Hindi siya bulky, that's why I like it. Next, I just have my house keys. House keys na merong flash drive and keychain that has my initial. Next is, I just have two hair ties kasi I just have two hair ties because this, my friend, is an essential if you're a girl. Kasi minsan sobrang init and gusto mo mag-do a cute anik-anik sa ano. Lastly, I have is an emergency pad. You know. If you know, you know. Ganun. Mali-mali. Pero, that's it for my what's in the bag. Ay, wait, lastly pala. Lastly, I bring this with me. This is my water bottle from Thermoflask. It has a bunch of stickers lang. Dalawang stickers. Tinanggal ko kasi yung iba. Kasi yung iba, very dirty na. But, yeah. So that is it for my video. Thanks for watching, everyone. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!